Hi, so we are doing the Roar and Snore at the Safari Park, and I'm so excited because we just checked in, and it's gonna be awesome! Yes. Yeah.
Some house rules, ultra outside sheet of those shoes, and that white coloration allows them to bounce a light colored belly, orange, tall, dark, and good way to tell.
So we just sat down for dinner right over there, but somebody just woke up from a nap a bit cranky. So we came to look at the rhinos. Hey guys, so this is pretty cool. This is the canvas tent for the Roar and Snore at the Safari Park. And, well, here's where you walk in. There are 2 cots and 2 bunk beds.
Hi, Mom. What?
So we were getting our tents all settled and we heard elephants. So behind us are the picnic tables. And they're playing bingo right now, but we came down here because what do we see? What do we see?
Here we go again. It's Laura.
It's a rhino! It's 4:45 in the morning and we just heard the lion roar. So I'm sitting outside our tent to see if I can hear him roaring again. Cammy, what do you hear? A walrus. You mean a lion? Yeah, you want to go see the lions? Yeah, we gotta get dressed then, okay? So we just spent the night at the Safari Park and look at this view! So pretty. You can hear the lions roar in the morning. Oh, you get to see the elephants moving around. It's kind of drizzly right now, but it's super nice. Way better than being too hot. Oh, and look! A little bird! There's the savannah. And then here is our tent. There we go. Let's look inside. Are you ready to show off the inside of the tent? Look at you!
So we're gonna show off the rest of the tour, and we are going to do a good job inside the tent.
All right.
So first, we're gonna learn about the bunk beds. So there's an upper one and a lower one. And then here is the same thing, an upper one and a lower one.
All right.
The sleeping bags can go on top or on the bottom.
Very nice.
And also sleeping bags could go on here.
Uh-huh. And then what's outside of the tent?
Outside is a beautiful view in the background.
Wow, look at that.
And also, come with me.
This was Grandma's tent.
Yep, this is Grandma's and Zoe's tent. That's like TVs in here.
Same thing, 2 cots, 2 bunk beds, trash can, fan heater, and outlet.